Do you want to know how to make this large capacity cylindrical handbag? Come and I will teach you right away. Today we will learn how to make the cylindrical handbag. Today we are using curtain fabric, cutting it into 2 pieces, each 28 centimeters long and 22 centimeters wide. The base is 28 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide, 1 piece. Strap, 76 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide, 2 pieces. The sides of the bag are 12 centimeters wide and 18 centimeters long, 2 pieces. First, we cover these fabrics with interfacing. After covering with interfacing, cut out the same size lining. Next, measure 8 centimeters inward from the edge of the bag body and make a mark. On this side, it's the same. This is the position for attaching the bag handle, and here is the outside pocket, 14 by 14 centimeters. We place the front fabric and the lining fabric face to face. Like this. Sew on the chain. Once the sewing is done, turn it to the front side and iron it. After ironing, take out the main part of the bag and align the edges, then sew it together. Once the pocket is sewn, place our bag inside, with the edge 6 centimeters inward. Sew the bag, and mark the bottom edge 16 centimeters upward. Sew to this point. Do the same for this side. After fixing both pockets, take out our zipper. Then cut 2 fabric pieces measuring 6.5 by 8.5 centimeters. Fold it like this. Sew with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. The width after sewing matches the width of the zipper. After finishing, insert the zipper like this, then sew it on. Once sewn, we turn it to the front side. After turning it over, it's like this. Next, we will sew on the zipper. The zipper is placed facing the outer fabric front, with the back of the zipper against the inner front. Sew directly like this. Replace with the provided zipper foot, as it is more convenient to use. After stitching, we turn it to the right side. Separate the outer part of the bag from the inner part, and then directly stitch a visible line on just this outer layer. The other side is done in the same way. After both zippers are in place, take out our base. Sew it like this. Here it's also fabric to fabric. After both the outer and inner fabrics are sewn together, take out the side pieces and cut a curve here like this. You can use a suitable round object to trace and cut it out. Do the same for the inner fabric. After trimming, we fold it to find the bottom center point. Do the same for the top opening. Also find the center point for the body. Align the center points and fix them with small clips, then sew around. Curtain fabric with interfacing can be easily sewn. Besides, sewing is like this. We use the same method on the other side, including the lining. After sewing both the lining and the outer part, when attaching the base, leave an opening at the bottom, then turn it inside out. After turning it inside out, seal the opening we left, and turn it right side out again. Flip it to the front and our bag is ready, with handles on both sides. It can be worn crossbody or carried by hand. Inside, there is a super large interior space. You can also attach 2 small pockets inside. The large capacity allows you to fit many items, like an umbrella, water bottle, and phone. There is also a pocket on the outside.